Hey guys, in this video we'll be replacing the transmission fluid pressure sensor on a Mazda CX-7. The reason for replacing this sensor is because upon scanning the transmission control module, we found that there was a P0841 code stating the transmission fluid pressure sensor / switch A circuit range / performance was causing an issue. The new part we're installing is a Duralast transmission oil pressure switch, part number PS737, and it costs $41.99 from AutoZone. After opening the hood, we can see the sensor by standing in front of the vehicle and looking at the bottom of the transmission. It has a single wire connection which plugs into the sensor. While there were no noticeable issues with the transmission or the way the car was handling, after clearing the code and driving the car for a little bit, the code reappeared. To gain better access, we'll have to get under the car. The connector has a single clip which must be compressed in order to disconnect it from the sensor. Due to the location of the sensor, it can gather dirt and water, which can make it a bit more difficult to disconnect. Once the connection has been removed, we can use a 7/8 deep well socket to remove the sensor.
7/8.
Note that once the old sensor is removed, transmission fluid will begin to leak out of the port. So you'll want to be quick with reinstalling the new sensor. For reinstall, I like to tighten everything in place by hand before moving to the socket. The last step is to reconnect the connection to the sensor and clean up any transmission fluid which may have leaked out. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe.